Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I have a small haul for you guys. So I really just got a few things. So I don't know why they gave me this big old box, but it's literally just a few things. So first things first, the Sephora brow pencil. I actually just picked one of these up in my last haul and I've been loving it. So I picked another one up. It's called the Sephora retractable brow pencil and this is waterproof and the shade that I got is chocolate brown. It's what I'm using today. So this is the one that I'm using now and it has the spoolie on one side and then the pencil, which is like a really fine tip pencil, on the next side. And so I really appreciate these little fine tip pencils when I'm doing my brows. Had to get another one of those. I got this stuff during the sale and where the Sephora products were 30% off. So I picked up a eye pencil. I don't know what happened to my MAC eye pencil, so I need a new one. So I picked up this Sephora long lasting kohl pencil. And the shade that I got is called Intense Black. And I used to use the MAC Feline, and that one is like black, super soft. So I'm hoping that this is going to be comparable. I didn't even know that Sephora had a brand of lashes until I watched Tyra's video. And she was talking about one of the styles that she absolutely loved. And I said, well, I got to try them out. So this is the style that I picked up. It's called Swanky. And it's just kind of funky and cute. So I told myself I was just gonna try one and see how it feels because I don't like heavy lashes or heavy lash bands. Like I have big eyes, but they can't carry them big bands and heavy feeling lashes. So that's why I'm always wearing like the Kiss lashes, the lash extension line, because it's natural, like a natural feeling as well. So, but these look good. So I'm gonna use these. It says, you can wear them up 8 to 10 times with proper care. And these, of course, are vegan lashes, cruelty free. So we'll see. So I needed a new eye cream. I've been using Lancome's eye cream. I love it, but it was almost out and it's pretty pricey. So I want to try something different. Now this one is by Glossier and this is a full orbit eye cream, which means you can apply it on top of your lid to get rid of that hyperpigmentation as well as under. I've never used eye cream that you could actually do that with. And I'm super excited because if I can get rid of the darkness on my lids as well, like that's game changer. So I really hope this works. But yeah, it's a full orbit hydrating, brightening, smoothing eye cream. So you guys know how much I love this lip balm by Guerlain, okay? It's hydrating, but I love that it adds like a nice wash of color, like a natural wash of color to your lips. So that's why I'm obsessed with it. And I like it way better than the Dior one, honestly. So of course the packaging is super cute, so that's another reason. But Guerlain just released lip glow oils, and so I had to try it. So I tried it in another shade. That one's like the lightest pink. This one is more like a raspberry pink. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm in love. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. Look at the packaging. Like, look at the lid. It's the same gold kind of material that's on here that they put for the lid. Like, just so luxurious looking. It doesn't smell like anything, but I'm super excited, y'all. I already have stuff on my lips, of course, but I'm gonna show you on my hand right here. It feels thick too, so I will definitely be letting you guys know how much I like this. But honestly, the Guerlain line, if you guys haven't been trying it, if you think the Dior line is good, this one, I don't know. Now, the only thing I do love my Dior Maximizer, and that's what I have on now, my lip plumping. But this is supposed to be lip plumping as well, so we'll see how this goes. So I picked up this Melanin Hair Care Signature Line Travel Kit. And I am super excited to try this. Again, I was watching Tyra's video and she had the conditioner and she said she heard a lot of good things about it. So I went to look into it because I need something for my hair, right? But then I seen the travel kit and you guys know I love trying like travel kits. I love the holidays when they give kits. Kits are the best thing ever invented. Honestly, you get more bang for your buck in my opinion. And you get to try and figure out what you like without spending too much on like full size bottles. If you don't like it, what are you gonna do with it? You know what I mean? So I love getting kits. If you don't know by now, if you ever want to try something new, check if it's in a kit. I think that that's the best way to do it. And as you can see, these are not small sizes. Every one of the bottles is 3.4 ounces. So it's not like some mini bottles. This is a good size to at least figure out if you like the product or not. I also just want to open it so I can show you guys real quick. So yeah, this is the African Black Soap Reviving shampoo. It's the leave-in conditioner, but like, look how cute these bottles are. Like, how cute is this? How freaking cute is this? And then the oil, oh my gosh, I just want to wash my hair right now. This is going to be perfect to use in my daughter's hair. This one is with shea butter and natural oils. This is the twist elongating cream, which, like I said, she is the queen of them twist outs. It doesn't really have a scent. That's what it looks like. Super, super cute. The feature, it has a travel bag. Like, seriously. And it's waterproof. Listen, this thing was about 40 bucks. Honestly, like, this is so cool and so perfect. You're traveling and you just put all the products in there. And it's waterproof, so you know you're not gonna mess up your suitcase or mess up whatever, your travel bag. Like, this is cool. And I don't know, this came off, I don't know, is this supposed to be a hair tie? Because that's cute. But yeah, everything fits in the bag, all cute. Like, I love this. This is the cutest thing ever. After I went to research the brand Melanin Hair Care, I found out that it's actually created by a YouTuber. And the YouTuber, her name is Whitney. And I was so excited because I actually used to watch all of her videos on how she does her twist outs. If you know, you know. She's like the twist out queen. And I would follow her method to do my daughter's twist outs, and I would get the best twist outs ever. I haven't watched her in a very long time, so I didn't know that she came out with her own hair care line, but I'm so excited and so proud of her because I know it has to be good. Like, her hair is just amazing and healthy and bouncy. So if you haven't checked her out, like, check her out as well. That's all for today. I will leave everything that I mentioned down below in the description box so you can check it out. Thank you guys again for watching, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Bye.